Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Today I'm going to be talking to you about your 508C notice and how a former IRS agent can help. I'm sorry about my red face. I put some Effudex to take care of some light skin cancer cells. It kind of did a number on my face. I'm still red. You won't go ahead. I'm not offended if you call me red face. Anyway, I'm a former agent. I worked thousands of cases. I've been doing this since 1973. I've been on all the major news stations. You can go to my website at 777irs.com. You can see all my major interviews that I've done along with my team. More importantly, there's a lot of crap on the internet in tax resolution. There's probably 5 to 10% of the people that are solid. A lot of people are out there doing these YouTubes. They're salespeople. They're actually actors. They're reading from scripts. Many people have no idea what they're doing. If you're going to be watching a YouTube, you have to know the credibility of the person telling you what they're telling you. So anyway, I've been doing this 50 years, so you make your own judgment. Anyway, my subject today is this 508C letter. It really is, God, I feel sorry for the people getting this. Basically, IRS is telling you your passport is being suspended or revoked or being denied. What happens if you owe now, at least as of this date, over $59,000? IRS is going to suspend, deny, or revoke your passport. And you have a 90-day window, yes, a 90-day window to call IRS and get that revocation overturned. You can either make a payment agreement with IRS, you can make an offer in compromise, or you can go into currently non-collectible. But before you call them, you better understand the IRS national standards and the IRS financial statement of what you're getting into, giving that to IRS. What you think you're in hardship, IRS is not going to think you're in hardship. For instance, in Fort Lauderdale and Broward County, they allow a family, one single person, $1,800 a month to live for housing and utilities. That's everything. So you better be very careful. I'm telling you, if you better do a lot of due diligence if you're going to get this on your own. You may find yourself in a greater mess by calling the IRS. What I just want to tell you, what a former IRS agent like me does bring to the table is we can at least get you a good deal and get your passport back at the same time. I've had a couple nightmare stories where people called me and they went ahead and they called IRS and they wound up with huge payment agreements, and they asked me if there's anything I could do. I says I can't because you've given all the information to IRS. So basically someone has to get your financial statement, process it, see if there's any changes that can be made, and then call IRS. Generally you can get your passport back in anywhere between 4, 5, 6, 7 months. Weeks. I'm sorry. If you got imminent travel plans, it will help, but we got to close the case first. So basically, you got to call the 1-800 number, let them know what your intent, your plans to travel, if you have one, give them the travel information, give them the financial statement in. But this financial statement, I'm telling you that you're going to give to IRS isn't going to come out the way you hoped. Believe me, I've worked thousands of these cases. Do a lot of due diligence if you're going to do it yourself. Make sure all tax returns are filed. You're welcome to ask me questions. Can answer any question you want for you to help you move this process on. Give me a subscription if you would. I know what the hell I'm doing. I'm sorry for my red face. I'm getting used to my red face. Thank you very much.